I'm pretty sure most of us who've watched this channel at least know of Initial D. And today, I wanted to try something. You remember that scene where Bunta gives Takumi that cup of water not to spill to avoid destroying the tofu? Well, I want to see if I can avoid spilling and destroying the tofu too. There's a slight twist though. If I spill the water, the video ends. Oh man, I'm gonna regret this. See, I didn't think this through that well. How am I gonna shift? Oh, this was a horrible idea. I don't think it spilled.